Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see what are the different types of copywriting opportunities we get to do on Fiverr with the help of ChatGPT. So there are various things in copywriting which you can do here, like script writing. You can do a lot of blog posts, sales page creation. You can also do articles which you can write, landing pages which you can build for different businesses. You can also do press releases as well over here with copywriting, and then company mission statements which you can generate. So all these are different types of copywriting opportunities which you can certainly create a gig or a profile around and put it up on Fiverr for providing these kind of services. So let's see some of the requirements or options which we already see on the Fiverr right now. So let's have a look at it on the platform. So once you're on the platform and here you look for, let's say we are looking for sales pages. So you will see there are a lot of people who are providing those kind of services. I will copyright your landing page to accelerate sales. So you can see this particular page where this person is providing the particular sales pages. It can create a landing page for us specifically, and they have different plans, a basic, standard, and a premium plan out here, okay, where they're going to provide this particular service out here. Okay, you can see he already has got like 234 clients who have taken his services. So you can see the amount of money which possibly he has built out. If we just go ahead and take an example, let's say, so here the pricing is at 602. This is a basic plan, and he has 234 particular services. So this much amount of money he has already made, which is the bare minimum we can say, which is at a basic level. It can be more than this as well if people have taken standard or premium. So you can see a lot of options are out here in this particular manner. The other options you can see, these are sales pages created specifically. You can say, let's look at any other options which is there with respect to, let's say, script writing. So you will see a lot of people providing those services as well. I will create a creative and professional script for your video. So here this person is providing a video script, okay, for a particular service which has different plans over here, like a 30-second, 80 words narration. Okay. Similarly, you can see standard, premium as well, options available. Now, this person already has around 423 reviews, which means these many people have already taken his services for a video script creation. So video scripts are also something which you can easily generate with the ChatGPT tool, okay, which we'll see in the coming videos as well, how you can provide those. And you can also do the same thing. You can create a profile here for this service, and then you can provide those services to generate a revenue through that. So there are various options which are already happening right now. As you can see, people are creating and providing these services on the platform, which we can also go ahead and provide that. Another one, let's look at, let's say, blog post. So for blog post also, there are a lot of people who are providing SEO blog content, SEO article, blog post writer. Okay, so there are various people who are providing this particular service. So let's look at one of them. Here, the person is providing a blog post specifically, which they're giving a contact me option. So you can contact them. These are all the things which they're providing. So if you see, these are all the things which we can take help of ChatGPT to generate. Like we can generate an ad copy. If you want to do book writing, we can do that as well. Case studies, if you want to create, you can do that. Okay. Sales copies, we were just now talking about it. Website content, articles and blogs, email copy if you want to write, press releases, we were just now discussing it, right? Script writing, speech writing, all these you can take help of ChatGPT and it can generate it for you. And then you can personalize it, make it more accustomed to the client's requirement, and then sell it out as a service through this platform. I hope this makes sense. You're able to understand the potential of this, the different types of opportunities we have just in copywriting right now. In the coming videos, I'll show you a case study as well, where we can create one ourselves on the ChatGPT tool and how we can use that for selling it as a service to our customers. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.